We got a 1996 Toyota rav4, and we found a timing belt broken. First thing we did, we tried to check compression, right? Which just felt like it wasn't working properly. There was no, obviously it was not moving, and then we checked the check the distributor, and the rotor was not turning, so automatically you think, yeah, belt's broken. So we removed the cover. Here's the top one, and then we were able to remove the bottom. And here's the belt. It broke in half, really. And a lot of times it's just old age, right? And even though it's got a lot of oil leaks there. So we're gonna put a timing belt. I don't think the valve's bent, but we'll check, right? We'll put a belt time. We'll try to turn the motor, and hopefully that will fix it. Otherwise, I don't know. I might have to replace the motor.